God's wonderful world! Welcome back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. You all are doing well, and today I'm at the park playing. And come on, join me for some fun.
اللهم إني أسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى اللهم إني أسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى. Little fish in the bottom of the ocean, moving along in a really cool motion. Did you ever wonder where you came from? Who is the Lord of all creation? The little fish said, that's my Lord. The little fish said, that's my Lord. The little fish said, that's my Lord, Allah, the creator of us all. Hey little bird, so way up high, light up the sky with your colored design. Tell me who made you and I, me to walk and you to fly. The little bird said, that's my Lord. The little bird said, that's my Lord. The little bird said, that's my Lord, Allah, the creator of us all. Allahu Akbar, our creator, there's no one greater than Allah. So why do we stand tall, too proud to recognize what's right before our eyes? Signs from the Lord. Hey alligator, laying so still, who's your maker? By whose will do you crawl and do you swim? Who controls everything? The alligator said, that's my Lord. The alligator said, that's my Lord. The alligator said, that's my Lord, Allah, the creator of us all. Hey, king of the jungle, the mighty lion, top of the food chain, no denying. But who is the one that you rely on? Life or death, who is deciding? The lion said, that's my Lord. The lion said, that's my Lord. The lion said, that's my Lord, Allah, the creator of us all. Allahu Akbar, our creator, there's no one greater than Allah. So why do we stand tall, too proud to recognize what's right before our eyes? Signs from our Lord. Hey my brother, hey my sister, see yourself as self-sustainer. But don't you see what will come later? We all return to the Creator. Then we'll say, that's my Lord. Then we'll say, that's my Lord. Then we'll say, that's my Lord.
Our Prophet Muhammad said when he used to eat his food, he would wash his hands, and when he was done with his food, he used to wash his hands again. Before starting the food, our Prophet Muhammad used to say dua for eating. Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. When you're done with your food, you should always say this dua. Alhamdulillah, Hillazi at'amana wa saqana wa ja'alana minal muslimin.
إني أسألك